Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Epix Pro Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. We can check the amount of steps taken on this watch in a couple ways. The first way is on the watch face. Basically some of the watch faces display that information. This one doesn't, but if we open the menu, watch faces, and scroll through the list, maybe one of them will display the steps. Doesn't look like it, but I believe we can adjust it. So if we select the watch face, then find the data, tap on it, and here we scroll through the list of widgets. One of them should be steps, I believe. Yes, so we can select steps and then we can apply the watch face. And we have the steps right here. So we can adjust some of the watch faces to display these steps. Another way to display the amount of steps taken is to open the glances. And if you open the glances by swiping up and down on the home screen, like that, find the activities, or last activity, I believe. No, never mind, health. Find the health glance, tap on it, and here scroll down and you should see the steps. And you can tap on steps to see more detailed informations. You can also add the step glance, I believe. So if you go back to the glances, press and hold the middle button to open the menu. Find the add glance option, tap on it, and here let's look for the steps. Okay, we have steps, we can tap on it to add it, and the steps will be added to glances, and you can see it, you can tap on it to see more information. And the last way to check the amount of steps taken is through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So we can move this to the side, bring our phone here, zoom out the camera. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect application. In the app, you should see the home page. You can tap on more, I believe, activities. No, not activities, my bad. It's gonna be... It should be activities, actually. Yeah, it is. Okay, so activities and steps. And here we have more detailed information. And we have daily progress, weekly, 4 weeks, 1 year. And we can also, I believe, tap here and edit the goal if you like to. Okay. And that's how you change, or rather not change, how you check the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.